Hello everyone. In this video I will show you some basic operations performed on dictionary in Python. So first of all we will create a dictionary. So in dictionary we need to specify key and we need to specify their corresponding value. For key you can take integer, string, any data type you can take, and for value also same. So let's say we are taking integer as our key and value we are assigning some name. So this will be considered the first element and this will be considered the second element and this will be the third element. So our dictionary is having three elements, uh, integer, key, and string as values. Now first operation I am going to show you how to find out the number of elements. So there is a function len a. So this function will return the number of elements stored in this dictionary. Now if you want to fetch all the keys, so what you can do, you can execute this function. It will return a list and that list will be having all the keys. Similar to that, there is one more function value. It will return all the values. And if you want to fetch element, so for that you need to use items. So it will return a list of dictionary items. Now how to manipulate it? Let's say we want to delete some item. So in order to delete a dictionary item, you need to use the dictionary name and then the key value, which item you want to delete. So every item is actually referenced by key. So let's say we want to delete item which is referenced by 2. So you need to write here del and a2. So this item is deleted. Let's see whether this one is deleted or not. So as you can see, now we are having only two elements. Now if you want to change the existing item element value, so specify the key which you want to change and here specify, let's say, Rajesh, and let's see our dictionary again. So this value is changed. So we have seen how to delete a item, we have seen how to change the existing item, and in case if you want to add one more item, so the thing is that specify key for which you want to create a new value or new item. So here if you can see we are not having any item with key 2, so we want to create a new item which will be referenced by this number 2 and we will specify the name, let's say Rocky. Let's see our dictionary again. So these are some basic operations of dictionary data type. Thank you very much for watching.